Hey, we're doing Julia Jacklin in their cover of The Strokes' Someday. Breakup song, I think. It's not right someday. Okay, I'll teach you the riff too that's being played in there's two guitars. But let's just go over the chords of the song. There's only a verse and a chorus. Starts on B. Now you could just play that with like a A shape, like you would play an A in the open position. You would just move that to the 4th fret. Just remember just to hit strings 4, 3, 2. All right, so you can play. The next chord is C sharp minor. And then it goes to E, which I'm playing at the 7th fret, and then back to B. You can play that all with the A shapes, either A or A minor. Okay, just play an A at the 4th fret, and you got your B that it starts on. And then go to the go to the 5th and play your A minor. And then go to the 9th and play another A, just a A shape. So when you just play strings 4, 3, and 2, that becomes a movable shape. Okay, and then all the bar chord is just adding the bass note. And then the little riff that's being played by the other guitar, they're just playing like a F shape for the B. And then for the C, and that's at the 7th fret. It's like this F shape you learn is an open chord. Just move that up to the 7th fret. And then they're hammering on to the 9th on the high E. All right, and if you can play that with 3 fingers, really, you could just play the top 3 strings. So you bar 7, 7, and then place your 2nd finger on 8 on the G string. And then just slide your finger up to the 9th. That's how you play the C minor, the C sharp minor, is you just bar the top 3 strings on fret 9. And then just go back to the B. And you ask what happened to the E? Well, we kind of are substituting the C. The C sharp minor is kind of substituting for the E. So just play a B to C sharp. and then we got to go back to this shape. Because look, here's the E actually. If you take that A shape E, remember we played it at the 9th fret. Here's the E, and now here's the C sharp minor. So E is actually inside of the C sharp minor. That's why we don't have to go to another chord. The chorus, there's 4 chords in the chorus. B, F sharp, G sharp minor, and then it goes to E. And then at the very end of the chorus, it goes back to F sharp. You're not wasting any time. And then it goes either to the verse, or you can go back and do another chorus. So we could play our A shape for that. And then we can do our F shape at the 2nd fret for the F sharp. And then at the 4th fret we can bar the top 3 and play that's the G sharp minor. You can then go to the E, which you can just play as a open chord. So that's just a way you can use some more simple shapes. And one move you hear them do is they go do the G sharp, on the way back to the E. You can go to the power chord or just play the bass note. So you go just hit those bass notes on your way back to the E. You can also play this song with power chords. Just try to get a little sustain on your guitar. Maybe turn up your drive a little. That's it. Yeah, here's the, if you played it with power chords, this is what it would sound like. Someday. This is the verse. If you had drums and a bass, it wouldn't sound bad. And here's the chorus. Someday. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great time playing that. Bye-bye.